What happens when you report Medicare fraud? The first thing is not what happens if you report it, it's where you report it to. If you initially report it to a whistleblower law firm, they're going to go through several steps like our firm would to understand the nature of your claims, how much is in controversy, the strength of your proofs, and whether or not the case is actually actionable or not. The False Claims Act is a very interesting statute that enables whistleblowers to receive a percentage of what the government obtains in recovery, but everything and anything is not always actionable under it. There's a very well-defined set of criteria that involve systemic defrauding of the government. So if you report it to a whistleblower law firm, they're going to make those evaluations for you. They're going to do an in-depth analysis. Generally, firms like ours don't charge anything. Some firms do. After the analysis, they'll let you know what they think about filing and whether or not the firm is a good fit for your case. And also, you should evaluate the whistleblower law firm to understand whether or not they're a good fit for working with you. The other path to report it is directly to the government. Sometimes that will be the only path. A lot of times individuals call us and want to report a neighbor or an individual that's receiving benefits that should not be receiving benefits. While that's illegal, it's under the False Claims Act, not really something that the government is going to act on, nor will it entitle an individual to a percentage of any government recovery. In contrast, if you know as an insider of systemic fraud against the government, systemic Medicare fraud or Medicaid fraud, whether it be upcoding, kickbacks, billing for services not rendered, or one of thousands of other schemes healthcare practitioners engage in, then you may be entitled to a percentage of the recovery. The key is knowing which is which, and that's why you should always try to take advantage of firms that offer free whistleblower consultations.